Words can't express how our Father in heaven has sent us His best to be born in a manger, the King in the hay, and creation will worship His name. For the joy of the world He was born. Praise to us all for the gift of the Son. Now the darkest of ages died. For the Savior of heaven has come. When I think about Jesus, the King of all days, I can help but respond with offering of praise. Godly wise men and shepherds will follow your light, like the angels that lift you high. For the joy of the world He was born. Bring peace to us all, for the gift of your love. Now the darkest of ages died. For the Savior of heaven has come. For the Savior of heaven has come. Now I look back in reverence to that holy night, for the God of the heavens had us on His mind. Let us sing of His glory.